Number 5. Catit Senses Self-Groomer Cat Brush. Interactive cat toys. Cat self-grooming wall brush that helps remove and collect loose cat hair. This can be used as a cat self-groomer wall corner. Easy to mount on either a flat wall or corner surfaces, with strips included or screws optional, not included. Includes a small pouch of Canadian catnip herb for use in the inner cat hairbrush compartment as extra incentive. Number 4. Petmaker Self-Grooming Cat Arch. Bristle ring brush and carpet-based groomer, massager, scratcher. For controlling shedding, healthy fur and claws. Self-grooming. The grooming arch contains bristles that gently remove excess or loose hair from your cat when they rub up against or pass through the archway. This helps to maintain neat and healthy fur and also control shedding around the home. Number 3. Furhaven Pet Tiger Cat Arch Groomers. Tough tall cat tree entertainment playground furniture for cats and kittens. Multiple styles and colors. Self-grooming. The hammock bed playground features an arched brush with soft but sturdy bristles that help catch loose hair and dirt from a preening cat. Entertainment. The cat playground features fun activities to keep your favorite feline entertained, such as scratching posts and a plush ball toy. Number 2. Fukumaru Pet Fur Grooming Cat Scratching Pads. Cat Self-Groomer Massager Scratcher Toy Brush. High quality and easy installation. The construction of the arch is very strong and steady for maximum durability and stability. Straighten the arch a little and use rebound inertia to make the arch and the cardboard more firmly. Perfect for all ages cats, kittens, prime, mature and senior cats benefit from regular grooming sessions at home. Number 1. Pet Grooming Brush effectively reduces shedding by up to 95%. Professional shedding tool for dogs and cats. A durable shedding tool. This dog and cat comb is made to last through long years of effortless pet grooming. With the 100mm stainless steel blade protected by a cover for your safety, and the blade longevity and the sturdy easy grip handle, it promises top precision. It is a long-lasting shedding tool, a MUSTF pet hair remover. Healthy, shiny pet coat. Rid your four-legged friend of undercoat and loose hair effortlessly. And keep at bay allergies by frequently brushing them.